Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin this process, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged before you start. Step 1. Remove the battery. Locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button while gently pulling the battery away from the body. If you're having difficulty, use a flathead screwdriver to slightly lift the battery from its housing. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home to assist you. Step 2. Clean the internal components. With the battery removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment. Using a soft cloth, wipe down the edges and ensure there is no buildup that could affect the performance of your vacuum. Step 3. Replace the battery. Take your new battery and align it with the connectors of the vacuum cleaner. Push firmly but gently until you hear a click, indicating that it's securely in place. If you need a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider reaching out to us for assistance. Step 4. Remove the body. Next, we will move on to the body of the Dyson V8. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the body apart from the motor unit. If you encounter resistance, check for any additional screws or clips that may still be holding it together. Step 5. Clean the body components. With the body now separated, take this opportunity to clean the internal components. Dust and dirt can accumulate here, affecting performance. A soft cloth can help you wipe away this buildup. Remember, cleaning your vacuum regularly can prolong its life significantly. Step 6. Reassemble the vacuum. Align the body back onto the motor unit, ensuring all clips and connectors are properly seated. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but being cautious not to over-tighten. Step 7. Final check. Once everything is back in place, give your vacuum a once-over to ensure everything is secure. If you're ever unsure, we can provide a quote before repair to help you decide on the best course of action. Step 8. Test your vacuum. Finally, plug in your Dyson V8 and turn it on. Ensure that it runs smoothly and that all functions are operating correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. No calls, no travel, just simple service to your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.